Hey, it's Andy Brown. In this follow along, we'll go ahead and make a repo template. So we have here, let's go over here to our other repo. I'm trying to find it. Sometimes it's a bit hard to navigate repos. There we go, that's a bit better. And so we have this my cool repo. What I want to do is convert this repo into a public repo for now, just so that we can utilize this feature. I want to go to the top and see if we can make a template. Actually, it looks like we can. I'm really surprised because what would be the point if it's private? You know what I mean? Because we go here, how's anyone going to click that button? It doesn't make any sense. So I really think that that is a public feature. And notice I actually checkboxed it on and it turned off. So I think it is. Yeah, it is. Nope. Okay, it's on now. All right. I mean, I guess you could use it to make your own from it. So I guess my thought was it was always about other people using it, but I guess you could make your own default template and use it for yourself. So I guess it's not just a public feature, but they're never going to ask you on that exam, so I'm not going to fix the slides because of that. But let's go ahead and create a new repository from this template. We'll just say my cool repo 2, and we'll make it private. And notice we can include other branches, but I don't want anything else. And there we go. So now we have this repo that is making a copy of. We'll give it a moment. And here it is. You can see it's generated from that one. And there you go. Ciao.